In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a recurring Microsoft Teams meeting. Whether you're coordinating with colleagues, managing a team schedule, or setting up regular catch-ups, knowing how to create a recurring meeting is essential for maintaining consistency and ensuring everyone is on the same page. Let's dive into the process step by step, ensuring a smooth setup. First, you'll need to sign in to your Microsoft Teams account. Open your web browser and navigate to the Teams website. Make sure you have your login details handy. Once you're logged in, look for the calendar icon on the left-hand side of your screen. This is where you'll find and manage all your scheduled meetings. After accessing the calendar, you'll see a list of all your meetings. Go ahead and select the meeting that you want to set as a recurring event. This will be the meeting that you're going to convert into a series rather than a one-time occurrence. Once you've selected your meeting, click on the edit option. This will open up additional settings, allowing you to make the necessary adjustments for creating a recurring meeting. Editing here is crucial because it unlocks the functionality to turn a single event into a sequence that fits your schedule. In the meeting edit settings, you'll notice an option that currently reads "does not repeat." Click on this option, as changing it is the key to making your meeting recurring. This menu provides several frequency options for your meeting series, such as daily, weekly, or monthly. For our example, let's choose the weekly option. This is perfect for regular team check-ins or status update meetings where the same group of people gathers every week. However, feel free to choose another interval that best suits your specific needs. Next, you'll want to set the start date for your recurring series. Maybe you want your meeting to begin next week or at the start of a new month. Select the date that works best for you. After selecting the date, simply hit the Save button to secure your newly defined recurring meeting in your calendar. You should see your meeting now listed as a series in your calendar, and any invitees will receive an updated invitation to join these regular gatherings. And there you have it, you've successfully set up a recurring Microsoft Teams meeting. By following these simple steps, you can ensure that your meetings are consistently scheduled, helping to streamline your workflow and communication efforts. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to explore additional resources or drop your queries in the comments. Thank you for watching, and happy scheduling on Microsoft Teams.